Alright, so what we're doing today is actually just pulling down a door. We're going to attempt to fix the soffit while we're at it, and then put in some soffit protection. So let's get to it. This is the piece we're going to use. Probably see the setup over there. Okay. So we're going to... Yeah, we can very likely... Yeah, we'll try to pull that down. Okay, so let's zing all this out of here. I'll just pop the door out of here. All right. Okay. Okay, we got all our screws out. And now we're gonna pop this whole thing free. So you like to grab. All right, there goes that. Now we're gonna clean up some of this old caulking, caulk the holes shut, fix the soffit, and put in some soffit protection. Okay, so now we've got our soffit protection in here. Everything's nice and covered. The soffit has been fixed as much as we can fix it. The liner's been pretty much destroyed, but we've got it fit back in there as best as we can. What we're gonna do now is go around and seal up all these old holes. Make sure they're covered. This stuff dries fairly quick. That job is complete.